Welcome to my video with Jacob. Come on.
Yo.
And we're going to be playing some football today. So Jacob's going to be in the net, guys.
It might not be a very good net though.
Then, it might not.
If it hits the chairs, wait, let's get these butts out of the way. If it hits the chairs, it still counts.
And if it hits the chair, it still counts. So 3, 2, 1. Save. That's 1 point for Jacob. Goal for me. Goal for me. It's 1-1.
I've got a leg.
From here.
Oh,
I scored. It's 2-1 now.
2-1.
2-1 still?
2-0. No.
2-1.
Go, kick.
It's a free kick.
3-2.
It's a penalty for me. Penalty, guys. Guys, this is how you do a penalty.
No, let it go in.
No, you hit it.
No, it's 3-2.
No.
3-2. Original food is it? Yeah, it's 3-3.
Bib. It's a bib. Pick up. Pick up.
Make sure you don't hit the camera.
Save, it's 4-3 for Jacob. Guys, watch that again.
Use the Frankie and pennies.
You see that?
Double the gross.
He just hit me in the nipple with the ball. 3, 2, 1. Go!
No, that wasn't a goal.
Right. Guys, we're going to swap now. Jacob's going to have shots and I'm going in the net.
My turn. Let's go.
Jacob's turn now.
What's my skill? Skill diploma.
Save. 1 point for me. Save. Put that home. 2-0 to me. Go too high over the bar. You can't handball it. You've got to kick it. That's it.
2-1.
No, it's 3-1 to
It's
me.
not. Okay, 3-1, that's fair. What are you doing?
Cameron, do you want it?
Let me try. Try hitting the camera. That's what this video is called. Sorry. If that hurt, leave a like.
If that hurt, leave a like.
Okay.
This video is #sneeze.
Yeah, let's put #sneeze.